Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to be talking about some Colourpop. I'm so excited. I did a little mini haul. I know, low buy this year. However, it was my birthday and all that. I did get a bunch of good stuff, by the way, so this is a quick birthday update. I really got a bunch of cute clothes, got some really cute sweaters, some jeans. I needed to get some jeans. Stayed low on the makeup. It was good. Stayed low on the makeup. I was very good about that. I got a lot of clothes actually. But I needed it because I was wearing like a lot of the same things. I got into that funk, so it's nice. I got some really cute sweaters and stuff, so that was a quick update there. And I did get one of those denim, half like hoodie type jackets. Really cute, really liked it. So quick little update, but let's get into the Colourpop haul. So very excited. I picked up the Colourpop Dream Street palette, and this is the Kathleen Lights collaboration. I did keep the box as well. It looks the same as the palette on the outside. Super pretty, super cute. And here's the palette. It's so cute. I actually have this on today on my eyes. I also have one of the Supernova shadows as well. But here's the palette. So beautiful. Believe it or not, I've used this twice now. Today was my second time. I love this palette. I think this might be my #1 palette. My #1 was the Yes Please. I think this one's going to be my #1 because I like how it's like, I don't know, it's like warm and cool toned in one. I don't know how to describe it. And it's got these pops of color. I'm really into that lately. I'm kind of tired of seeing only neutral brown palettes, even though there's a few that interest me. I want to see more palettes like this where it can be natural and everyday, but with a little bit of a pop. So absolutely love it, and this color is absolutely amazing. I didn't know how it was going to be. This color is amazing. This is my favorite one. I know it's probably a lot of people's, but I absolutely love this one. I absolutely love this one. It's like a duochrome where it's like shimmery, but it's kind of got that same kind of reflect in it where it can really match well with this guy because it's got that almost green blue reflect. It's amazing. The matte shades, stunning, really beautiful brow highlight. Got some transition tones, crease shades. The other day I did a look where it looked pretty similar to this one, but I also did some of this matte blue. I have yet to use this in the crease. I've only used this as a liner, just so you guys know, so I have yet to try that in the crease yet. But I did that, and then I kind of smudged it out on the, like I did that as a line and smudged it out with this. Oh my god. Looks so pretty. I really like this. It's like a cool like salmon shade, and it really pulls together a look. I don't know. Absolutely love this palette. I'm trying not to get too stuck on it, but what? Kathleen, this is great. Like I said, probably Colourpop's probably like their best eyeshadow palette. Absolutely love this, and I hope they make more palettes where it's like neutral but with pops of color. Love it. Next up, I picked up 3 of the Supernova shadows, and right now I have, this one is Mothership, and I have that right on like the inner portion on top of that green from the Kathleen, and this worked perfectly. I've used this one twice now. I have yet to use these 2 yet, so I cannot give you a review on these 2. The other 2, this one is Dragon, and then this one is Moonlit. Dragon is kind of more of a coppery gold, and then Moonlit is more of a, it's like a maroonish pink, really pretty. And I love this. I love this kind of like teal, green, blue. It's just, oh, it's so pretty. I've used this twice now. Really like this one. I really hope these 2 perform as good as this one. And of course, when I do my little monthly end-ups, like my little wrap-ups of the month, I will touch base on all this stuff. I'll probably do a worth the hype of some Colourpop products all in one. So just let me know if you guys want to see that. I'll just do a bunch of different products from Colourpop that I have that maybe I can give a full review on so that you guys can know. But give this a thumbs up if you'd like to see that so that I know. But yeah, I am so excited. This Dream Street palette, it's so amazing. It blends so nice. And so you guys know, I saw some of your comments, and I know I totally forgot to take and do some looks with the Colourpop All I See Is Magic palette. And I'm sorry I forgot, this was a holiday palette. They do still have it available. Here's what it looks like here. I will show you next to the Kathleen Lights. There are some similarities, however, they're not the same. You're totally getting 2 different palettes here. I know some people might look at it and be like, oh, well, I see similar things. in a way, but they're all different, if that makes sense. Like, I'm going to get completely different looks from this, so definitely, they're not the same. But I did want to touch base on that. But yes, I will do some looks with this. I know I need to put some tutorials out using this. I did not forget. Well, I did forget. But now I won't forget. I do have some videos ahead of time, so you guys know they're scheduled. So sometimes they're already, like, I already have videos pre-filmed and they're scheduled. Like right now when I'm filming, it's in like January. Like, I'm always like, when it's coming out, I always did it way before. So sometimes if it seems like, how does she know about that already? Because I already like had it for like a month and then filmed it like another month, like from when you saw it. So just so you guys know, other than if I say like, hey, did this today type deal and it came out. But I will do some tutorials with this. This is another stunning palette where it's like neutral every day, but it's got pops of color that make it different and interesting. I want more palettes like this. Oh, just in general brands, especially Colourpop. Amazing, amazing eyeshadows, and they're a great deal. But yes, I want more brands in general to make neutral but like kind of pops of color in a palette. I would love to see that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy the haul. Again, the Dream Street palette. Oh man, love this so much. And the Supernova shadows. And when I do this tutorial, I'll probably try one of these in it too as well, because these could go really well with this one. I'm going to try not to use this one. I want to, but it's like, nope, you already used this one a few times. Let's try one of these. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe. Alright, thank you guys so much. Bye.